What's up guys, it's Rachel and I'm back. I know I haven't made a video in such a long time, but today I'm going to make a video on basically cleaning my room, decluttering, my tips and tricks for this kind of stuff, because if you are in college too, you know how hard it is to keep up with a clean room. And also my room is pretty small here at school, so it's really hard for me doing Instagram stuff and that kind of thing, because I'm constantly getting like new stuff in the mail to kind of keep everything clean and keep things on the move out. So this semester has been so crazy with school and just like taking pictures. I've really been working on my Instagram a lot more, so go follow me on there. But I want to get back into the swing of things on YouTube, so this is gonna be my first video back, and I am really embarrassed of my room right now. You guys are gonna be like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I don't even know if I want to show you guys this. This is really bad. This is my room right now. Yeah, it is a absolute disaster. There are things everywhere. This is all like clean laundry that I just haven't put away. It's a really big mess. Also, I'm kind of having trouble because I just like, my closet is completely stuffed. This room is way too small for me. I don't have enough room, so I don't know where to put stuff anymore. So this is another reason for making this video, because I'm going to be going through my closet, showing you guys how you can get rid of stuff. And also I'm going to be either selling it on my Poshmark, which will be linked down below, and I also have made an Instagram account for my clothes, so I'm going to be posting my clothes on both of those sites. I'm probably not going to be posting all of them right away. It'll probably be after Christmas break. I am going to be making two piles for my clothes, one for Poshmark and Instagram, and then the other pile is going to be for Goodwill. So without further ado, let's just get started on this mess of a room. Alright, so I just took off that like dress I was wearing because I was shooting in that earlier today, and I changed into a big t-shirt. So the first tip that I have is to get comfortable before you start cleaning out your closet. And I'm going to start with my closet and not with my room, because this is just going to be me throwing stuff into piles yet again and then putting everything into garbage bags or bins. So I am first going to tackle the mess of my closet. And when I'm going through stuff, I kind of organize my closet by pants, then two-piece sets, then I have short sleeve shirts, and I also have a dresser at the bottom of my closet that I'm going to be going through too, and sweaters up top. So there's a lot in this closet. I'm gonna start out with the pants section. So I really like these pants. They even still have the tag on them. I got them as a piece to shoot in, but I got them in a too big size, so they really are too big on me. They're not flattering on me, so I am going to give these to Goodwill, put those in the pile. A general rule of thumb that I want to say when you're organizing your closet is to, if like things are too big or they don't fit right and you ordered them online or something and you just like haven't worn them because they're not fitting right, get rid of it, because you're probably never gonna wear it. And like, you want things that are gonna be flattering, and you feel your best when you wear things that are flattering, so just get rid of it. So it's also important if you do like a piece of clothing and it is ripped or something. So like, these are Free People. They were like really expensive pants, but I really do like them. Is to make a pile to go to the dry cleaners to have them fix it. So I really want to get these pants fixed, so I'm going to put them in the pile to go to the dry cleaners. I think that these are like super cute for the winter too, and I really want to wear them again. So I'm gonna put those in the pile to go to the dry cleaners to get fixed. Another rule of thumb is, if you have not worn the item in a year or so, you're probably not gonna wear it. And if you like to keep up with the trends like I do, then you probably are going to want to get rid of some stuff that maybe is outdated or just that you haven't worn in about a year or so. So I like to keep pairs of skinny jeans for just backups, but these, I really like these, but I just don't really wear like normal skinny jeans anymore really with stuff, so I'm going to be giving those away. These pants, again, haven't worn them in about a year or so, so I'm going to be giving these away as well. They're just a pair of cargo pants, but I really have not worn them in a while. These two are just kind of a cheaper pair of pants. They're from Shein or something like that. I don't really wear them that much anymore, and I also like the other Free People checkered pants better, so I'm gonna get rid of those. Okay, so then I have this two-piece set, and I wore it a couple of times, but honestly, I just do not think it's that flattering on me anymore, and I'm probably not gonna get much wear out of it. I do like the top though to wear with denim jeans. I'm not really a fan of the skirt and the top together because it's not very flattering on me, but I do like this top, so I think I'm gonna hang on to the top. I really liked this outfit at a time in my life. It's this like Vogue two-piece set, and I really liked it for a while, but it's a little bit tight on me now, and I'm not really into the color red anymore, so I'm going to be giving this away also. So then these are a bunch of tube tops, and I'm pretty sure the tube top trend is just over, so I'm going to be getting rid of basically all of these tube tops. I never wear tube tops anymore, and these were all pretty inexpensive. I actually kind of like this one. This is the only one that I really like, but I did just get another tube top that kind of looks very similar to this, so I'm gonna be giving that one away too. I would also say, as a general rule of thumb, to hang on to pieces that are basic, like basic bodysuits like this, and also just basic pieces, because those really aren't ever gonna go out of style. I think basic bodysuits are really, really good pieces. Red is just not really my color anymore. I also don't really like the fit of this bodysuit, so I'm gonna give this guy to Goodwill. Again, this style is kind of not in trend anymore. It's that off the shoulder style, so I'm gonna give this guy to Goodwill. So then this piece, actually I think I'm gonna hang on to this piece because I haven't really worn it, but I'm still holding off on it because I think it's still on trend and could be worn with like a cute pair of just like jeans and some Docs. Now this is a super, super cute top. I love the ruffles on it and everything, but I have not worn this in so long. I'm really debating this one. I love the ruffles on it. I think it's so cute still. I'm gonna hang on to that. I am going to get rid of this bucket hat. I just got this and it has a tag on it, but unfortunately Forever 21 does not take back accessories, and I failed to try it on. It literally, I mean, it like barely fits my head and it hurts so badly to wear. This top I'm obsessed with too. I just got this and I actually took a picture in it, but one of the snaps fell off of it, so it doesn't close correctly. So I'm gonna put this in the pile of things to take to the cleaners and see if they can fix this top, because I really do love it. So these tops I'm kind of over as well. This one is really cute, but has this flare sleeve on it, and it's just not my style anymore, and I haven't worn that top in a really long time. I also have not worn this in forever. I wore this top to death. I swear I wore it every time I went out for like 2 years. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know I still had this is literally a Brandy Melville cardigan. Do you guys remember when everyone had these? Oh my gosh, wait, that's actually kind of cute. But I feel like cardigans like this are not my thing anymore. I mean, I haven't worn that in like 2 years. Then this sweater has kind of run its course. It's a little v-neck, but it has a tie in the front. I'm just kind of over that. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this sweater. See, I think that things hide from me in my closet. Look at how cute this is. It's like a brown fuzzy sweater. I could even shoot in this. I don't have a picture in this yet, but it's completely cropped. It's brown fuzzy. I'm going to bring that home as well. I think that's so cute. So these two sweaters are matching, and I used to love these, but they're just from Windsor. They're again off the shoulder sweaters and kind of over these. Another helpful tip that I have for you guys is if the stuff that I typically give to Goodwill is stuff that either doesn't have tags on it still, or is under the price of, I would say, like $50, just because typically I think it's hard to sell and just not worth it to sell things under $50 on Poshmark. But a lot of things that I've had success with are things that I get in the mail, and also more expensive things that I can sell for a low price. So that is typically like any name brands. Lululemon, I like to put Shopo on there. I like to put really popular brands on there. So that's how I weed out stuff that goes to Goodwill versus stuff that I put on Poshmark. I have now moved on to my shorts drawer, and wait, these are actually kind of cute. I mean, they're a little short, but almost like with a sweater and Docs. I think those shorts could be so cute. I've just never thought about wearing them. This jean skirt is so cute. This I also really love. I just don't know if I'm gonna wear it again. I wore it to Mardi Gras last year, and it's so fun. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I've had this two-piece set forever. Like, see, but this skirt I could see myself pairing with a more neutral outfit, high white boots, and I could make it trendy. If you like to be really trendy in everything and can see yourself pairing like some pieces that I have in my closet, let's say this. I got this probably 2 years ago. This is from Forever 21, but the colors of it are really neutral, and it's also still like, skirts like this are still trendy and can be trendy with the right pieces. So I would probably pair this with a neutral trendy top and then some high white boots, and you've got yourself another trendy look that you can shoot in. So if you like taking Instagram pictures, or if you just like keeping up with the trends, you can make pieces in your closet that you already have trendy. So keep that in mind when you're going through your closet and purging things. I again think that statement dresses and staple pieces are really good to keep. This is a black dress I got from Lulu's forever ago, but it's really flattering. I like the way that it looks on me, and it's a really good quality piece. So I'm gonna hang on to that. Also, stuff like this. This is from Boohoo. It's a black blazer dress. Again, good for working. I've also had this for quite a while now, but I think it's a super trendy piece and I love it. So I'm gonna move you guys down this way to my drawers down here. So these I keep mainly like bras, underwear, and then in here I keep like denim. And then down here I keep all of my workout stuff. But I kind of, because I have so much workout stuff, I want to move my denim to my closet and then put my workout stuff in 2 drawers and just get a lot of my bras and underwear up to this drawer. What's up, guys? It's now about like 3 hours later. It took me probably like 3 to 4 hours to completely clean my room, organize everything, and now I am finally finished. So I'm gonna show you guys everything and how it looks. So this is all of the stuff I got rid of from my room. Here is my room now. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. So I just made my bed and everything and then cleaned up around here. This I am hoping to get rid of, but this is my Poshmark box. So this is where I put all of my Poshmark orders and stuff. It's not the prettiest thing ever. I kind of eventually want to get a basket or something that looks a little bit nicer. But yeah, these are all of the things that I have to sell on Poshmark. And then this is stuff that I just have to shoot in on Instagram. But yeah, I organized everything. This is like my new favorite candle. Well, I've always loved this, but I just put it out and just got it from Bath & Body Works. It is the winter candle. It smells so, so nice. And then coming over here, oh, that's me. I have these 2 bins, which were out before. This one was actually out right next to my bed where my ring light is now. But I thought that this was better storage for it. So these are just all of my like heels and those types of shoes. And then I've got all accessories, bags, and that kind of stuff in here. Then I just have coats, and look at all these extra hangers I have now from all this stuff. But these are all of the things that I decided to keep in my closet. There's still a pretty good amount. And then down here, I cleared it up a lot. So those are just all boots down here. And then what I also did is I organized all of this too, put all of my sweaters up there. And I cleared out this drawer to put my jeans in. This one I didn't go through at all, but went through my skirts, and those are all cleaned up. I organized all of my bras and underwear and all that kind of stuff. And then these are all my workout sets, my workout tops and sports bras. And then down here, I just organized all of my yoga pants, spandex, and joggers. I'm really happy with how my room turned out, and purging just makes me feel like good. Decluttering, all of that kind of stuff just makes me feel like I actually can wear the stuff now that I have in my closet, and I really like everything. And it doesn't feel like stuff is just sitting there not being worn. So if you guys have any video requests, leave them down below. I would love to hear them because I want to make videos that you guys want to see. Another thing, side note though, that I wanted to say is that I recommend doing this about once a semester if you're in college, or like maybe every season if you're out of college. But personally, I like it because it really restarts the next semester. So just doing it at every end of the semester, that way like some of the clothes that you looked at before you may have not worn all semester, and then you'll be like, wow, I haven't grabbed for that. Especially with winter ending, then I'll start looking at a lot of my sweaters that I didn't wear this season, and I'll be like, well, why didn't I wear that? And then you can part with that stuff. So I recommend just doing it one time a season. If you guys have any questions though, leave your questions, concerns, comments down below. I would love to also hear your video requests because I want to make videos that you guys want to see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then please give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.